In this guide, you'll learn to turn off sleep mode on Instagram in 2026. So your notifications return to normal and your account works without any time limits or restrictions. Start by opening the Instagram app on your phone and signing into your account if necessary. Once you're on the home screen, tap your profile picture located in the bottom right corner to access your profile page. From there, tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen to open the menu. Inside the Settings and Activity section, scroll until you find the Time Management option. Depending on your Instagram version, the sleep mode setting may also be located within the Notification section. Tap the appropriate option to continue. Next, select Sleep Mode. You'll see a toggle switch that controls whether the feature is enabled or disabled. If the switch is currently turned on, tap it once to turn sleep mode off. The toggle should immediately change to indicate that the feature has been disabled. After making the change, simply tap the back arrow in the top left corner of the screen. Instagram automatically saves your settings, so there is no separate save button required. Once sleep mode is turned off, you'll begin receiving notifications normally again. And Instagram will no longer display your sleep mode status during the previously scheduled hours. That's all there is to it. You've successfully turned off sleep mode on Instagram and restored your regular notification settings.